industry has a better sense and all about Modi and all of that. Are you a big supporter of Narendra Modi?
See, first thing I'll tell you, कि it was just what I felt it I did. My heart felt it, which I did. I felt it the whole controversy and the whole signature campaign against Mr. Narendra Modi was uncalled. Because first of all, there was nobody who came with a propaganda or an agenda in the film industry ke, okay, go and vote for Modi or go and vote for BJP. Nobody came. Industry is a very secular, very strong. There's a lot of intimation, togetherness in the industry. And suddenly, my colleagues, they come out with a memorandum. They come up with the signature campaign ke don't vote for the Modi things. So, and they said vote for a secular. So I would like to know ke who are the secular party they are referring to. Because I just felt it ke one thing ki there was nothing. I can understand ki there was some people in the industry who wanted ki pro Modi campaign and they would to say the industry people vote for Modi. It was not like that. So if then I understand the campaign from your side also would have come for a counter. But there was never such thing. So why all of a sudden this thing? And let the people decide. Let the film industry people decide. Let the industry know exactly whom they want to vote. Every industry people must be. They are pro Modi. They would be anti Modi. Everything it is like that. In every camp it is like that. And everybody and in country is like that. So let people go with this flow and let people vote for you. Why you wanted to break up this issue? Why you came with this signature campaign against this? Ki don't vote for this party or this party. It's really uncalled.
Are you supporting Modi?
See, what I'm telling you over here, I felt it the whole thing from so many days. See, I'm a very political person. I have relation across party lines from Congress to BJP to MNS to Shiv Sena to NCP. Everybody, my relations are very nice because I feel I am a creative filmmaker and people in the film industry, everybody like our work. It can from all party people like my work. They appreciated my work. I got some fantastic national awards for my movie. So I just felt it. This whole controversy came uncalled, and that was the reason I came with this thing. Ki if you try to divide Bollywood by these kind of memorandum and signature campaign, so definitely there would be some voices who will be pro Modi, who will come in support of it. So I just felt it. Ki gone. I've been to Ahmedabad a lot of time. I know so many Muslim friends of mine. I know so many Muslim friends who are doing business in Ahmedabad, Surat and Baroda, whose business is flourishing. Their turnover is superb. And they are all going to vote for Modi. So there's nothing wrong in it. If I keep my point of view, I just feel that the development is great over there. He has done a fab job. And I think that man deserves a chance about it. And that's how I'm like I said, I'm absolutely not belonging to any political party. I don't have affiliation to any party. As for individual, yeah, I just felt it ki he has done a great job, which I've seen. It's not ki somebody tell me a fairy tale. I've seen over there in that city. And I feel he has done a good job. And it can be a nice thing. He has a lot of, in his manifesto, a lot of things are there, which is pro-development. Only pro-development I'm talking about. So I felt it ki we should all support. And I just came. Had it been not this campaign, it wouldn't be from my colleagues. I would have still not said, because I never tweeted or never said anything like that, because like I said, I have friends across all political party and have attended so many political parties function, irrelevantly from which party they belongs to.
तो मधुर जी आप लास्टली आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा तो आपको क्या लगता है मोदी को चांस मिलना चाहिए?
मैंने कहा आपको अभी।
हाँ अच्छा मधुर, अगर हम फिर से अगर हम कैलेंडर गर्ल की अगर बात करें
वो बात करेंगे ना फिर से यार। चलो, थैंक यू।
देखो ना, इसलिए बोला देखो नया है ये सब, पतला है। अरे आपका है ना, आपको कल भी कोई हाँ पक्का देखो 40 साइज
मैम समोर राइट साइड ला लुक योर लेफ्ट look center
I should also be allowed to do the same.
पढ़िए एक मिनट पढ़िए
मारना लवकर झाला
थैंक यू
थोड़ा पीछे देखो एक्सक्यूज मी योर
चलो चले